Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 world's greatest leg exercise. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. There are few things in the world of fitness that top a pair of strong legs consisting of well-built quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To build leg muscle, you'll need to work hard to achieve it. When asking the question, how to build leg muscle, it's important to have variety in your leg training and to build the legs from a holistic point of view. In this video, we cover a variety of leg exercises that range from single joint to multi-joint movements. We did this so you can break out of your norm and select leg exercises that align with your training goals. So stay tuned. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Walking lunge. Lunges come in many variations. You can do stationary lunges in any direction, front, side, backward, etc., but walking lunges ultimately made our list because they're slightly more functional since you continually move forward instead of standing still, and they provide an excellent finisher to any leg workout. The walking lunge is a dynamic movement, requiring coordination and muscle recruitment to perform correctly. This exercise is predominantly a one-sided activity no matter which way it's performed, with emphasis on the front rather than the back leg. You'll get a good amount of co-contractions from above and below the knee joint, from the hip and core to the ankle and foot. To do it, you should hold dumbbells in each hand, step forward with one foot. Bend both knees to lower your torso toward the floor, making sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes at the bottommost position. Stop just short of your rear knee touching the floor, then drive through the heel of your front foot while bringing your rear leg forward until you return to a standing position. Then step with the opposite leg into a lunge, repeating the pattern. Continue alternating down the floor. Number 4. Bulgarian split squat. Did Bulgarian strength athletes really use this movement as a training foundation? The myths may not match the reality, but the name has stuck to what is, all in all, a pretty solid exercise. Over-elevating the back leg, putting it on a flat bench or even higher reduces the stability of the front leg, thus limiting your strength potential and putting you at risk for injury while also unnecessarily stressing the spine. This move focuses on each leg individually, so you can pay full attention to each without a stronger leg compensating for a weaker one. To do this exercise, you should hold a dumbbell in each hand, step forward with one foot and rest your rear foot on an elevated platform or bench, top of the foot facing down. Bend your front knee to lower yourself, making sure that the knee doesn't track out ahead of your toes. If it does, take a longer step out from the platform. When your knee joint forms at least a 90-degree angle, reverse the motion, driving through the heel of your forward foot to return to standing. Do not forcefully lock out the knee. Number 3. Hack squat. While the barbell version of the hack squat, picking up a barbell placed behind you is perfectly acceptable, especially for those training at home, the typical machine-based hack squat you find at most gyms is our choice here. That's the one that's plate-loaded and angles your body slightly backward. Within the confines of the machine, you'll find a bit more safety than you would with the free weight squat, which becomes more crucial as you tire during a workout. That means hacks are a great mid-workout option, serving as a bridge between squatting and other moves such as the leg press and lunge. This exercise is done in a weight-bearing functional position just like a standing squat. To do this exercise, you should step inside a hack squat machine, placing your shoulders and back against the pads. Set your feet at mid-platform just inside shoulder width, keeping your feet flat throughout the exercise. With your chest up and core tight, unhook the safeties and slowly lower yourself, stopping when your thighs are just past parallel to the platform. From here, powerfully press upward to the start position, keeping your knees bent slightly at the top to protect them from hyperextension. Number 2. Romanian Deadlift. The quadriceps muscle is a powerful, four-headed beast of a muscle group, and unless you develop hamstrings with enough strength of equal measure to balance out the quads, your knees will be forever prone to injury. Enter the Romanian Deadlift, or RDL for short. This movement works the hamstrings from the hips, a necessary addition to a ham routine that might otherwise be dominated by variations of the leg curl, seated, lying, and standing, that all work the muscle from the knee joint. To do this exercise, you should stand upright holding a barbell in front of your upper thighs with an overhand grip. Place your feet shoulder width apart and slightly bend your knees. With your chest up, arms straight and core tight to maintain the natural arch in your low back, lean forward from your hips, pushing them rearward until your torso is roughly parallel to the floor or until you feel a good stretch in your hamstrings. At the bottom, keep your back flat and your head neutral. The bar should be very close to or in contact with your legs throughout. Flex your hamstrings and glutes to reverse the motion, bringing the bar back to the start position. Number 1. Front squat. As you already know, the barbell back squat is number 1 on our list. But the exercise ranked runner-up is a close second in the eyes of many, especially those who like the idea of big, beefy quadriceps and the more direct line of resistance offered by moving the barbell to the front versus draping it across the upper back. To do this exercise, set the pegs in a power rack just at or below mid-chest, and place the safety bars at a level between your hips and knees. Step up to the bar, crossing your arms to build a shelf to cradle it at your front delts and upper chest. Keep your chest up, lower back and abs tight, and eyes forward as you step back into a shoulder width stance. Bend your knees and hips as if sitting in a chair until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, then reverse direction by driving through your heels and pressing your hips forward to return to standing. Keep your neck and back straight and elbows lifted high throughout the lift. Inhale to support the trunk and abdomen at the start of your descent, and keep your core and abdomen engaged to help minimize stress on your lower lumbar area. Having beautiful legs will take time, so be patient and keep on with your exercise. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.